Today I am going to discuss about process variables in the instrumentation. Process variables means current measured value of a particular part of a process, which is being monitored or controlled. A variable is something that can vary or change. Because process variables can and do change, instrumentation systems measure the variable, then control and to keep it within the given limits. I am giving an example for your better understanding. Imagine we have a water tank, which is used to store the water. We're going to fill the tank using a water pump, so the water level gradually increasing. In this process, the current level is called process variable. In a particular level, the pump should be stopped, otherwise the tank will overflow. That desired level is called set point. In the industries, lot of process ongoing at the same time. Humans cannot control all this process without the help of instrumentation systems. Instrumentation systems measure and monitor the process variables and control the process. In large oil refineries, petrochemical industries are worked with very complex process. So instrumentation systems need to monitor a lot of process variables. I will explain about the process variables which is normally measured. These are the commonly used process variables: pressure, flow, level, temperature, density, vibration, viscosity, pH, weight. So in this chapter I introduce about the pressure. What does mean by pressure? Pressure is the force applied perpendicular to the surface of an object per unit area over which that force is distributed. If you tried to hammer a bowling pin into the wall, nothing would probably happen except for people deciding to no longer lend you their bowling pins. However, if you hammer with the same force on a nail, the nail would be a lot more likely to penetrate the wall. This shows that sometimes just knowing the magnitude of the force isn't enough. You also have to know how that force is distributed on the surface of impact. For the nail, all the force between the wall and the nail was concentrated into the very small area on the sharp tip of the nail. However, for the bowling pin, the area touching the wall was much larger, and therefore the force was much less concentrated. To make this concept precise, we use the idea of pressure. Pressure is defined to be the amount of force exerted per area. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Commonly in industry we using the units like pounds per square inch, bar, kg per cm square. The conversation table is showing on the screen. We can use this unit conversation table for convert the pressure from another unit. I hope you all understood about the process variables. I will explain more about the process variables in upcoming videos. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.